OnePlus has officially launched its highly anticipated OnePlus 12 series. OnePlus has truly outdone themselves this time, bringing lots of upgrades and innovations to the table. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. As we open the box, the first thing that catches our eye is the stunning design of the OnePlus 12 device itself. OnePlus has introduced the Time design, drawing inspiration from high-end luxury watches. Crafted through an incredible 158 processes, this design features a transparent crown mirror, carefully crafted time scale, ring characters, and a newly designed starry sky dial. The attention to detail is simply remarkable. And speaking of design, the OnePlus 12 comes in 3 gorgeous color options: white, green, and black. Each color variant showcases exquisite craftsmanship, emphasizing OnePlus's commitment to delivering top-tier smartphones. Turning our attention to the front, we're greeted by a massive 6.82-inch double-curved screen with a 2K plus resolution of 3216 x 1440 pixels. The flexible BOE Oriental OLED screen boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, supporting LTPO 3.0 120 Hz adaptive refresh. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits and support for native 10-bit, HDR10+ and Dolby Vision certifications, this display sets a new standard in smartphone visual experiences. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, the OnePlus 12 doesn't disappoint. It features a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 64-megapixel ultra-sensitive periscope lens, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro lens. The front houses a 32-megapixel camera supporting 4K 30fps recording. These enhancements promise an elevated photography and videography experience. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.0, forming a formidable flagship performance combination. With memory configurations starting from 12GB RAM and going up to an impressive 24GB plus 1TB ROM, you can expect smooth multitasking and ample storage for all your needs. The OnePlus 12 houses a substantial 5400 mAh battery, supporting a long-life version of 100 watts fast charging, 50 watts wireless fast charging, and 10 watts wireless reverse fast charging. According to official statements, the device can be charged from 1% to 100% in just 26 minutes. That's some serious charging speed. With a thickness of 9.15 millimeters and a weight of around 220 grams, the OnePlus 12 maintains a sleek profile. It also includes notable features like ultra-linear stereo dual speakers, IP65 water and dust resistance, bionic vibratory motor turbo, Bluetooth 5.4, and Wi-Fi 7. OnePlus has left no stone unturned when it comes to features. Now let's talk about pricing. The OnePlus 12 offers a range of configurations to cater to diverse user needs, starting at 4,299 yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB variant, around 5,434 USD, going up to 5,799 yuan for the top-tier 24GB plus 1TB configuration, around 7,331 USD. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence, providing users with a smartphone that excels in aesthetics, performance, and functionality. If you're on the lookout for a premium smartphone experience, the OnePlus 12 should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, signing off.